Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading. And Virgos, today for y'all we have one card from the Moonology deck. That will be your moon reading, guys. So that will be the moon sign for you all today. So let's start with the reading for your general energies. Queen of Pentacles, Four of Swords in reverse, and the moon in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may have set a certain expectation, maybe in your circumstances, some expectations on something, and you want certain things to work in a particular way, but your circumstances are something different, something not happening according to your expectations. So maybe in your work or in your personal life, you see some difficulties or you're quite anxious over certain things, guys. You want a particular result or you're expecting something in your life today, but what you are getting is something different. So maybe you need to be more careful. If you are really attentive, if you are really aware of what is happening in your circumstances, using your skills and talents, you are going to avoid some difficulties today, guys, Virgos. So maybe in your relationship also, guys, you are someone who is really loving and caring, and you are the reason this person feels so confident and secure. So you are a very loving and caring person, but today for some reason you are being really worried about something. Some kind of intuition is telling you, or some kind of something is worrying you. So maybe you see your circumstances moving in a difficult way. Some kind of a intuition may be working, and that is what is troubling you, guys, Virgos. So in your work situation also, Virgos, you need to be more careful, guys. If you are able to use your skills and talents, handle your situation perfectly, things will go in a positive way, guys. So you must be really careful, take precautions, whatever needs to be done, Virgos. So for your moon energies today, guys, we have third quarter moon. So in your circumstances today, there are huge changes happening, and you feel really overwhelmed the way things are going. But some changes are happening, and these changes are necessary or the need on your part if you want to see success in your life today. So there may be a crisis that is reminding you of something, but if you want something, it is the time for you to let go of all your negativity, whatever is holding you back, and you must pay attention. So you must be really careful today, guys. Again, that is the energy of this card. Virgos, if you are traveling somewhere, you must take a lot of precautions today, guys. So things are there is a lot of negativity in your heart, and if we have positive intentions, we see changes in your circumstances. But if we have tensions and negativity in ourselves. We see a negative circumstance outside attracting the good. So we must give up all these negativity and think positively, careful at the same time. So that is the reason, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the card reading and that right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So we will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this first card. It says Rose Elf Revelations. So when this card comes to you in a reading, guys, it just means that you are having something in your mind, something is something you have not revealed. Maybe all that sadness and grief you have been holding on, that has been burdening you. So this is the time you are going to be free of all those burdens. So some kind of unkindness towards you, bullying maybe, or injustice done to you is coming into light, and people around you may know the truth, the reason for your sadness or the way you were, guys. And you need to trust your instincts today and see for signs. Maybe you may be seeing signs in your circumstances, maybe something happening naturally, the way the birds are singing, or some signs in nature that you see around yourself. You must be aware of that, because that is going to give you or take you towards truth or clarity today. So your instincts are here to help you, guys. You need to trust that. And whatever injustice is being done to you is going to come into light. So there is a person who has been treating you in a bad way, and you were suppressing it, but whatever it is, truth comes into light someday, guys. You can never hide the truth, whatever it may be. And maybe you are someone experiencing this injustice, or maybe there is someone in your circumstances who is experiencing this injustice, and you can bring hope to that person who has lost it. You can make them feel peaceful again, help them with your kind words and with your kind heart. And whatever evil has been done to you will be recognized, and that person who has wronged you will be revealed, and justice is coming out. Justice is happening, unfolding in your circumstances. So you can never hide truth for a very long time, guys. So you need to understand that. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. So for those who chose this second card, this card, we will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, Loyal Heart. So this card just means that in your relationship today with your person you love, you both are having a beautiful understanding. Mutual love, respect and caring is there. You are devoted to each other, and you are loyal to each other, and this may be the time for heartfelt commitments and trust. And you need to understand that having that trust, mutual love and trust for each other, uh, you can see that this relationship is divinely protected and divinely directed. So, just like you trust this person, they trust you, and just like this person trusts you, are you loyal to them in return? Are you reciprocating their trust? So, you need to question yourself on that, guys, and this is the time for you to be really truthful, honest with what you truly feel, and make this person understand what you truly feel. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So with this card, it just looks like you are in that deep connection with this person, and you both love each other, and you both have a great future together. That is what this card is about, and maybe this may be a twin flame soulmate connection you have with this person, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.